Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. So today I want to show you the cutest play center for summer. This is the Step 2 Grill and Splash Play Center with Canopy. Now I have it on my screened-in porch, but we a lot of times take it outside by the pool, outside of the backyard. I love that it has a canopy to protect the little ones from the sun. It is large, so multiple kids can play at once. So much to do. Plus, it comes with 61 accessories, from little cheeseburgers to hot dogs to ketchups and salt and peppers to just so much, little steaks, and there's like flippers, all kinds of really fun stuff for the kids to play with. So let's go inside and check it out. Okay, first, I love that it has these two doors so they can go in and out. Really fun. Even the dog goes in and out. Now, let's start right over here. Here is the pretend sink. It comes with the bucket, and they can splash with water. You can fill it with water. There's a drain for it to drain out. This one has a little hole so they can play with water with that and dump it through. This one does not. Really, really cute. Now, these are for the garden center. This side is the garden center. There is a bucket. We use that as a storage bucket too, when we want to clean up. I love the little radishes and the carrots. These are so cute. They can put them in there like that. These all come out like that. Then there's a hanging basket. Now the lemons didn't come with it. We put the lemons in there, but we just think it's so much fun and so cute. This container has little holes at the bottom so they can dump water and play. Again, this is a splash and play, so definitely outside toy. It's perfect. It hangs up there. Over here is just a lot more counter space. Here are some of the accessories. Look at how cute these hamburgers are. These cheeseburgers and hot dogs, really, really cute. Then over here, you have a little container right there that has a lid. She loves to put things in there and then close the lid. Here is the barbecue, because this is the barbecue station. You have a tongs, you have a flipper. It even has steaks, really fun. This piece comes out, the lid closes. These turn and make a clicking noise. Really, really cute. So this is the barbecue center over there. That's the garden center, and then that is the water station. Now, the water obviously does not work. That is a pretend faucet, but you can fill it with water and let them splash and play. Now, we did add the lights because it is on our outside patio. We plugged those in, and it's super cute. We added those lights, but I do love the fact that it comes with the canopy to keep them out of the sun, which is fantastic. So she absolutely loves the Grill and Splash Play Center. I love it because I love that it has the canopy, and it has so many different things to do. 3, 4 kids could easily play in there and not bump into each other. So there's plenty of play space. I love that it has that little barbecue area and the sink. You know, again, you can fill the sink with water. It has a plug. It will drain out. They can be splashing with the garden center. Just a lot of fun things. I'm really actually surprised at how much I love it. And I'm shocked how much she loves it. It just has so much to do. So if you were looking for a great summer toy, this one is it. I love it. You can put it, you know, on your patio. You can put it in your backyard. Just so many options. So that's it, guys. What did you like about the Play Center? Leave a comment and let me know. And don't forget to subscribe, and I'll talk to you later. Bye, guys. See you in the next video.